Here we go. The citrus banana SMP. This is kind of anticlimactic. I'll just cut to the part where I am actually on the server. See you then. Oh, and we're back. Basically, I have gotten 23 diamonds on this server so far, with a fairly large tunnel. My base is secret for now. Basically, on this, at this, basically all you start with is a stack of steak. Kind of ran out of iron, so I used creepers there to get things. Oh yeah. It took forever to get. Like forever. But then I kinda what's the word? Lost all my stuff. Which sucks. Oh yeah. Also, every time I get on server, kinda what's the word? Kind of what's the word? Starts? No. Yeah, all the advancements are reset. And I'm gonna keep that thing on until someone kills the Ender Dragon. Yeah. I love this new, what's it called? Thing. I'm probably gonna just mine tons of it. Okay. Ooh. Thinking maybe, you know, making. Oh, I found the lava. Making something. Just for the fun of it. I'm gonna have to. There we go. What should I make? I know I only have 16 subs. hear anything in the background, it's just my family watching. I know I said I'd release the banana SMP thing yesterday. About a long time ago. Like a bit ago. But no, all okay what we want. I was able to get Devil Bob to join and Ocean Falcon. One of the best PvPers here. Since I'm morphling, I am going to try and get the dragon egg as soon as possible. By foul means or not. Can it's gonna take a while. Ooh, iron. Yeah, I gotta work on my version. I am so very lucky. I think I'm just gonna, I'm gonna make another portal now. Okay. Okay. Nerf Gun Alchemist is sadly not going to be part of this server. Yeah, that'll stay. Art. For another portal, you need both water and lava. This is how you safely build another portal without placing any obsidian. There we go. People are sticking, they might throw the thing in there. Ah, meat. What is this? Tough. Well, it ain't that tough, if that's what you mean. I'm thinking of doing manhunt. Again, I'm not that good at speedrunning. Kind of just get lucky. It. I might do Hitman. How long have I been recording? No, I have 1 more minute of recording time. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this SMP as it calls. Because probably at the end, everyone will have died. Okay? The only editing I actually do in my videos would be the all I do to edit my videos is cut parts of it out. That's it. How much lava is there? There's really no logic in why there should be this much lava here. Literally, no proof. Next bid. I will hopefully do something. Evolved. Finally. Anyway, that's it for this bid. Bye.